Installation on sloping terrain is similar to that on flat terrain. Installation professionals typically use a laser to shoot and obtain a grade or grades if necessary, in order to determine the slope on the line of a wall. In relation to varying elevations, post placement is important. A post is typically placed at the point where the slope changes, whether that is a peak or a valley. A 6-foot wide panel can be stepped as much as 12 inches per panel. For steeper slopes, instructions follow. Caution: SimTek walls are not to be used as retaining walls. Panels may be partially buried as long as the soil depth is the same on each side. Set the posts using the same methods to install posts on level ground. Panel support brackets will all be pre-attached at 73.5 inches. The bracket installed to receive the downhill side of the panel will remain at 73.5 inches from the top of the post. Once the slope has been determined and the drop per panel, one bracket can be removed and reattached at the proper height. Panels will always be set level, even on a slope. Set the first post on the uphill side. Set the second post and make any adjustments to bracket position. Use a steel stiffener for spacing to set the distance to each succeeding post. Use a level on the stiffener to ensure panels will be level when installed. For steeper slopes, panels can be cut so the step or drop in each segment is 12 inches or less. For example, a panel could be cut to 2 feet wide and stepped with a 12-inch drop. Where a narrower panel is required to finish a wall, panels can be cut. Where panels require cutting, first determine the exact width for steel stiffeners between post grooves. Next, mark and cut the steel stiffeners for that panel to that width. Cut stiffeners with any metal cutting saw. Next, mark and cut the panel to the stiffener width minus a ½ inch. A longer stiffener will allow for thermal expansion of the panel without restriction. Make certain panels are cut accurately with edges parallel. Panels can be cut with any saw, such as a circular saw. If a cut panel is used with an end or corner post, use the factory edge for attachment to the post.